Hello, hopefuls. So I have a really small haul here, sort of. Today's a snow day, so I did go back to the store, and I think I said in another video, I know when you go to the store multiple times that you end up spending more, but it's a snow day. We didn't think it was that serious. Everybody in North Carolina like panics, or people in the South panic when it's gonna snow. I did pick up some stuff yesterday, but I forgot stuff like creamer, and then Jason's birthday is tomorrow, so I thought of some more things. Sometimes I used to really overdo their birthdays, and seem like now I kind of scale back, and then I get a little overwhelmed. We're not going to have like a big party or anything. That's not his personality. He's an introvert, but he's a different type of introvert where he's a little different from me, but we're like the same. He don't really care for parties or, big extravagant stuff or attention on him or something, but I want him to know that he is loved and appreciated. So what I normally do when it's something like his birthday or something like that, I make him a breakfast, and I think the kids are not going to school tomorrow. He said we were going to go to IHOP because it was just my birthday, and we have these coupons to get some, what's it called, y'all? The free stack of pancakes. And I was gonna get mine when I dropped Josiah off from school, but she said you had to eat in anyway. So this is why, we'll go to IHOP if the kids don't go to school Friday, which they probably, or whenever they do go back to school, we'll go. So anyway, I'm gonna make them a breakfast tomorrow, and I think I'll make waffles. So I got some orange juice, and I got some sausage, and I already had some other things already in here, some pancake mix. And then I'm supposed to pick up his cake tomorrow, and then I'm going to get him, he loves the game, and if I could, I would get him a whole gaming computer and a gaming desk and everything, which is probably my goal to do, but just do it in increments. But I'm going to get him a gaming chair. I went and looked at them at Staples, and they don't have the color that I want, so I might have to order it online and tell him I get it later. Order it and he gets it like on Monday or something. Okay, then what we're going to do is on Saturday, we're going to go to this place in Durham. It's called Tobacco Road Brewery. I don't think it's brewery, but cafe or something. And it looks really nice, and the family and friends are going to come, and we're going to celebrate him. And then I did order him a cake yesterday with a little Superman. I like to order their cakes from Walmart. So anyway, I did think about, it's his 40th birthday, and I did think about getting him a cake ordering a cake like I did with Josiah's first birthday, but I knew it was going to be like $100 or something, but I waited too late to think about it. But anyway, let me share with you what I got, because I got to go get some gas and go get Saya because they're getting out of school 3 hours early today. So I went to Walmart first. I got some orange juice. I did get me some Coca-Cola over here. And then I've been drinking the diet, but it's just nothing like a regular soda. And so starting, I think Monday, everybody's birthdays or our birthdays will be over with. Just going to start training me, but I'll talk about that later. Anyway, because I was doing so good, y'all. I was going every single day, doing the treadmill and the circuit. But anyway, I got some spring mix salad, so they can make salads. They can put it on the sandwich stuff that I bought yesterday. I'll probably put that video up first, and I'll link that video. I got 4 pounds of the chicken wings. I went in there and I saw this lemon pepper mix and the sauce, and I was like, you know what, I want some wings today, or we might wait till tomorrow. I'll see. The French vanilla creamer, I actually like the sweet caramel, but they were all out. They didn't have any, so I got this one. This is my next favorite. I got some grape tomatoes, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. I got some lemon pepper wing sauce. I think I have tried this before. I don't know, but it's like $1 and something. I said I'll try it. I meant to swing back around and get another packet, but I have some seasoning in there, and it'll be totally fine. I got some green beans, only 2 cans. I probably should have got more. I went to Dollar Tree and got Jason some balloons. They're hiding in my closet, and so he loves these cookies. I think Dollar Tree is more his favorite, and then Aldi. I think I got that straight from him. So I picked him up a pack while I was in there. I did get him some plates. I'll show you guys in 1 second. I got some Hungry Jack buttermilk pancake mix. I like this more. I like Hungry Jack or Aunt Jemima. Really Hungry Jack more so than the Aldi brand. I don't really care for the Aldi brand pancake mix. You guys probably heard me say that before. Josiah needed some more peanut butter. Well, Jason and Josiah. And Cottrell, if he's here. Some syrup. So Hawaiian rolls. I got the savory rolls. And I got these to go with the wings. Or either to go with the pork chops that I got the yesterday. I have been seeing this Artistino bread by Sara Lee. I have gotten the original, but this is the brioche bread, and I just wanted to try it. I think I may have been a little hungry when I went in there, but not too much. You can sit right there, boo. But I said we can either have this with the wings or the pork chops, so either one we'll have one day. And I like to have a starch or a bread with them so to fill them up so they won't just eat all the food up. I got some lemons for the lemon pepper wings, and also I've been drinking lemon water. And did I say the Suddenly salad? Suddenly salad, ranch, and bacon. This stuff has done went up. I used to get it super cheap with couponing, but it was like $3.88 for 2. So I also at Walmart, I got these before, I believe, for Cottrell, and I always wanted to get them for Jason. So I did get him some similar at Marshall's, like one black pair that were not Fruit of the Loom, but you know Marshalls don't have the same stuff all the time. So I didn't want to take that chance and ride all the way down there, and they didn't have it, and I knew Walmart did. So these are like sleep pants, and they feel really good. It's like that performance wear, you know, when you work out in, and you can use it for well, it has that wicking, so it keeps you dry and it's soft and it's stretchy, and it keeps you, I guess it can keep you warm, but it keeps you cool too. So I got Jason an XL, and these are $11.88. So I first saw the gray, and I was like, oh no, I wanted to at least get them 2. And they did have another, in another section, they did have some of these. I don't know if I've seen them in black or not, but yeah, the men must like these. It wasn't that many to choose from. I got him one bag from Walmart, and I'm so glad I got it from Walmart because my Dollar Tree was really picked over today. And this was only 97 cents, and that's what the size look like, and it's pretty good size, so it should be able to fit that. So I ran into Aldi because I knew they had these all occasion birthday cards or all occasion cards. And I did want to get a couple of other things, but I'm not really pleased after I sat there and didn't get a card at Dollar Tree. I didn't get a card at Walmart. And then I got to Aldi and I read the inside of the card, and I took a chance because the Valentine cards were really good, but I should have known better. So I may hold on to these and give them to somebody else, but they were 99 cents, but this is like a watch, and that's what it says. And it says, I guess your beats per minute, and it has like a cake and a balloon and all of that, and that's what it says on the inside. So I don't know, y'all. They had some really nice ones for women, but I didn't really read it. But the outside was really nice. But this one says make a wish, and this is like a book of matches. And this one was okay, what it said on the inside, but I don't know. I should have went to Walmart. So I do have to pick up his cake, so I may swing by the card section and see if they have a card specifically for 40-year-old turning 40 or something more sentimental. Okay, y'all. So I got a lot of luncheon meat the other day, yesterday. So I got some chips, and then of course the kids gonna probably be out of school tomorrow, and then the weekend, and then yeah. So I got barbecue and sour cream and onion. I got some pork sausage for breakfast when I make breakfast, and then I got some more of the moose tracks. So usually when I eat this, I may have a really small bowl, but they got to my stuff. I was going to show you guys what I have. But I love this right here. They do have like a half the fat, so I want to try that one. But I'm not really a big ice cream person, so I'm surprised that I went in there to pick this up too. But anyway, they got to it, and so it was gone really, really quickly, so they liked it too. And but anyway, it's good, y'all. And I think lastly, I did see this in the flyer. Mom and I were texting each other back and forth, and I was like, I was just in there and I didn't know what they had new this week. And a lot of things I think is super neat, but I have so much stuff from Aldi that, or I have about, not everything, but a lot of stuff. So I thought this was neat, the oil and vinegar spray bottles, and especially if you know, eat a lot of salad or whatever. So this was only $4.99, which I thought was super neat. And yeah, they had the regular ones, which I do have over here, but these came from Dollar Tree, so I'm sure theirs is probably better. And I just like these little gadgets. This is like the Jason, I had this sitting here forever, y'all, and I used it last night. He was like, what is that? And all it is a pepper grinder and a sea salt grinder. And I was like, it's been sitting over there for a couple weeks now. You ain't even noticed it, but that's just him. But I think these were $7.99, and they had these like weeks ago. So these are good if you want to, if you're on a diet, even if you're not on a diet, you don't want to use a lot of salad dressing. Like Jason doesn't use, he can eat salad without dressing. But if you don't want to use a lot of salad dressing, you use the oil and vinegar and spray it on your salad. So anyway, I'm going to get back serious, y'all. I was doing so good. I was going Monday through Friday to the gym, out 2 hours on the treadmill, and then doing 30-minute circuit. And then my birthday came week, and I just got so tired. Okay. So the last things I got at the Dollar Tree was Happy Birthday. And I think I have these before. I'm really disappointed Walmart or Dollar Tree didn't have a nice banner that for Jason, you know, like in a color scheme like this. But they needed to restart really bad. So I probably should have went to the other Walmart. I think they got more choices. And then I got these plates, but I think I do have the square ones upstairs. And then I got the party button. I don't know if he will wear it. He may. And I got two of these because my mother-in-law, Mama D, her birthday is on the 23rd. So we'll go ahead and celebrate her birthday too at the get-together, which her birthday is what, Sunday? Jason's Friday. The get-together is Saturday. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye.